Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Base and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from clothing subscription services, just like the one I have today. And for today's video, I have a Wantable box, which I have not had a Wantable box on my channel for quite a while. And one of the reasons is because they are more of a high-priced company, online styling service. And so I don't tend to think of them that often, but they sent me an email recently saying they had a clearance sale going on. So then that got my attention. So I clicked on the website and lo and behold, I had a $25 credit also. I totally forgot I had a $25 credit on there, and that was thanks to Jamie from Jamie's Home. She's a YouTube channel. I will leave her link down below. Please go check her out. She has a great unboxing channel also. I have something on my nose. But anyway, go check out her channel. And thank you, Jamie. I totally forgot you used my link and I got a credit. So not only is this a clearance box, I have a credit on top of it. So, okay, that's really good. We're starting off good. Now, I will leave all the information down in the description box below. Just click on the Show More button if you want to know details about Wantable. Now, with that said, let me explain how the clearance is working on this. They have a discount program, and what they're doing, they give you the regular price of every item. There's 7 items in this box. And if you keep 1 to 2 items, even if you just keep 1 item, you automatically get 30% off. If you keep 3 or 4, you get 40% off. And if you keep 5 to 6, you get 50% off. And if you keep all 7, get this 60% off. So that is really a very good clearance deal. Now, I've already looked at the inventory on this. I got 7 items. Regular retail out the door would be $388 for all 7 pieces. But if I kept all 7 pieces, guys, with the discount, it would take it to $139.64 for all 7 pieces. That means I would only be paying $20 per item if I keep the whole box. But I don't want to give any spoilers. I have already opened the box and peeked inside, and I don't think I'm going to end up keeping all the items. Some of them I'm thinking I might be a little bit on the fence about. But, so what I'm going to do, just know that if I keep the whole box, it's going to be $20 an item. But what I'm going to do, I might only keep 1 item. So if I keep 1 item, it's going to be 30% off the regular retail price. So I'll give you the regular retail price when I try it on, and I'll give you what I will pay if I just keep the 1 item, which would be 30% off. All right, so I think that's everything. I'm going to go ahead and start the try on. So I will be right back, guys. Okay, I am back with 2 of the items out of the box, and we're going to start with this first. This is the Intermingle hooded cardigan in navy for $68 originally. 30% off of it would take it down to $47.60 if I bought just 1 item. So I would pay $47.60 if I keep this hoodie. It's very lightweight, soft, comfortable. It's pretty long. I don't care for the length of it. I like a cardigan to come like halfway down my thigh, but it's not bad. Like if I ended up keeping the whole box, I would only pay $20 for it, and I would pay $20 for it. But this is the way it looks. It does have a little hoodie in the back. So it's okay. My first thought was it looked kind of bathrobe-y to me, so I'm not in love with it, but maybe. I'm going to look back at the video footage. Okay, and then the next item out is these jeans. Now, these are the ankle biter skinny in pink sherbet. Now, guys, these jeans are like white jeans. They have got to fit you point on, you know, perfect, or they're going to show flaws. And unfortunately, these are not fitting me right. They're kind of gathering in the leg a little bit and showing flaws, so I would not be comfortable wearing these. But these are $58. And if I purchased it, just these for the discount, it would be $40.60 if I didn't say that. But yeah, the color, nah, I just don't think it's flattering at all. Yeah. If these were a dark denim, I would probably keep them. So, but these are the first two items. I will be back with the next two. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back with the next item out of the box, and that is this dress. And this is the Celinne striped tank dress in Cannon Avenue stripe for $64. Now, if I took the 30% off of that, that would take it down to $44.80. But this is it. The only thing I'm really not, well, there's a couple things I'm not a fan of. I don't like the length. I think it's a little bit too long for me. But if I ended up keeping it, I could fix that. And here's it has a slit on the side, which I'm a big fan of that part. I like that. So this is the way it looks. I just styled it with a white shrug that I wear quite often in the summertime. But the thing I'm not liking about it, guys, is it has these little spaghetti straps right here. And that means I would have to wear a strapless bra. Now, if it had a nice thick strap on this would probably be more of a contender for me, especially with the clearance. But I feel like there would have to be a lot of compromises with this kind of dress, and I don't know if I'm willing to make them. But what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you think I should keep it? Like I said, I'm not in love with it, but I don't absolutely hate it either. Okay, I'll be back with the next item. Okay, I'm back with the next item out, and that is this shirt, and it's by the company Guilt Trip. And this is called a tie front knit top in black floral, originally $48, and if you took the discount, it would take it down to $33.60. Okay, now with that said, let's look at the shirt. It has some good things going for it. I love the material. It's very soft against the skin, and I love where the sleeves are right here at the elbows. I could see this easily paired with like a denim skirt or some capris in the summertime. And like I said, it's just very, very super soft against the skin, and it's very thin. But the thing I'm unsure about is this little tie front here. It just kind of hangs there. So I don't know if that makes it unique good or unique bad. So I'm gonna have to look back at the video footage and see how it looks on me on the camera. But I'm kind of on the fence, so there's nothing been a home run for me, so I don't know how I feel about this, but this is the way it looks. And here it is in the back. Comes down a little bit longer in the back, but that's it. Okay, I think I have three or four more shirts, so I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with the next shirt out, and this is by the company Hazel. And this is a sleeveless lace peplum top in the color chambray. Originally $58. The sale price would take it down to $40.60. Okay, so with that said, let's look at the shirt. This is a lace top, and it does have a liner underneath, which makes it a pretty nice high quality shirt to me. The lace is not cheaply made. I don't know how else to say that. It's very, very well constructed. That's the only way I can say it. And I do love the pattern on it. I love how it has like this illusion of a waist, and it just comes and lays down. And I think it would look really cute paired with like maybe a black pencil skirt or something like that. But I just don't know if it's necessarily right for me. It feels like a little bit more of a dressier look. It's okay, I don't dislike it. The only other thing that I really don't like about it is it had a zipper in the back, and my husband had to zip it up for me. I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. But besides that, it's not a bad shirt, but it does grab me right here just a little bit. It's kind of like making it itchy a little bit, so that's kind of negative too. But overall, it's okay. I'm not in love with it. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Two more shirts. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with the next shirt, and this is from the company West Key, and this is a long sleeve polka dot sweatshirt. It says black and white, but it looks gray and white to me. And it's originally $54, and the discount, if you take that off, would take it down to $37.80. Okay, so now with that said, let's look at the shirt. It's a very nice, soft, comfortable material. I like that about it. Fits me very well, but I received this design of a shirt in another box, and it's just not my personal aesthetic. I think it might look cute on somebody else. I don't hate the look. It's just not my personal look. It kind of reminds me of a pirate look. Like if it had nice normal arms, I think this would probably be a contender for me to keep. But I just don't care personally for that look. But that's okay, maybe it's somebody else's look. It's not horrible, but it's just not me. Okay, I have one more shirt and I have some high hopes for this one. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with the last item out of the box, and this is from the company Design History. And this is a puff sleeve tie-dye top in black, originally $38. Discount price would take it down to $26.60. Now, what is drawing me to this shirt is the tie-dye aspect. Tie-dye is in fashion this summer, and I do not own any tie-dyes. So that's why I'm liking this shirt. So this is probably going to be a good contender for me. I like the little puff detail arms. It's very nice, soft. You could easily pair this with a nice denim skirt or a pair of capris. It's very casual, so it's got pretty much everything going for it. So this is definitely going to be a keeper. But this is the way it looks in the back. Overall, not a bad shirt out of the whole box. This is probably my favorite. But let's do the wrap up, go over what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to send back, and my final thoughts. Be right back. Okay guys, we are back for the wrap up. Let's go over each item real quick. Now, just as a reminder, as I said, if I kept all 7 items, I would get an incredible discount, and that would mean $20 an item. But like I said in the beginning, I'm not going to keep all 7 items. I could pretty much tell that the second I opened the box. So let's go over each item and what I probably am going to keep. The first one is this polka dot shirt. I really enjoyed this shirt. I thought it was cute, but like I said in the video, that's just not my personal style. I think it's cute, and if you like this kind of look, I will leave all the information down in the description box, and you can request this in your style box if you like this, because it is a cute shirt. It's just not my personal style. Maybe for somebody a little younger and a little hipper than me. This one I thought was cute, but it's just not what I'm looking for right now. I do like this. I could see me wearing something like this, but it's more dressy, and I'm looking all for a lot of casual summer clothes right now, so that's not going to work. If I was going to keep the whole box though, $20 for this, that's a good deal. And then if you guys remember, there was this summer dress. I just didn't care for the spaghetti straps on it. They were too thin, and if it would have had thicker straps on it, this might have been a contender, but because of the thin straps, and also remember it was a little too long, so I don't want to put the work into fixing it the way I want. Okay, now this shirt, since tie-dye is so in and I don't have a tie-dye shirt, and this is so soft and stretchy and comfortable, and I love everything about this shirt. I did the math on this. I am only going to end up, this is probably going to be the only one I keep, even though I got some more pieces to go over. This is going to be the only one I keep. I'm only going to end up paying with my credit, thanks to Jamie, and my styling fee. I'm only going to pay $2 for this shirt. So this is a win right now. This shirt I paid $2 for, and you can't beat that. So this is a keeper for $2. I'm keeping it. Now let's quickly go over this. This one, I look back at the video footage, I liked it, but the little bow kind of threw me for a loop, and I don't want to pay $34 for it. I didn't love it that much. If it didn't have that bow and it would have been a little bit longer, it might have been a contender, but it didn't work out. Okay, and then we have these jeans. If you guys remember, the candy cotton pink jeans. Just, no. It's the color. That was the only problem with these jeans. If these would have been in a black or a normal denim color, they would have been a contender, but the light wash on it shows way too many flaws for me, if you guys know what I mean. So that's it. I'm gonna pay $2 for a shirt. So overall, I can't complain. I have a tie-dye shirt that I only paid $2 for, and I got to try Wantable again. So if you guys are liking these videos, and please use my link down below if you want to try Wantable, and I'll get another $25 credit, and you will too. And maybe they still have the clearance sale going on, so definitely go check into that. But if you guys are liking my videos, please click the like and subscribe button down below. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.